look at that. You have your big screen, you have all these beautiful things in these trucks. Sometimes you even have a sunroof, beautiful sunroof, but you have a cloth interior. Welcome guys. And now I'm gonna be presenting to you what is supposed to go on a 2023 Ford F-150 for the Sport 4x4 Super Crew, guys. But this is the unboxing of the product. I'm gonna show you what is in it, guys, so you can order this for virtually any car at LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com, guys. And this one, guys, it will fit the 2021 to 2025, the Super Cab, the regular cab, the Tremor, the Lighting, the Pro XLT, the XLT Flash, the Raptor, and the Lariat trims, guys. And what you're looking at, guys, right here is a diamond inserts in this particular kit, guys, and this is the black rack with the lunar gray stitching. Also has contrast stitch in lunar gray, and it has diamonds with the lunar gray. They couldn't do it on black. In this case, they selected the lunar gray. It's so many combinations that you can have, guys, over 60 different ones. Colors, just in colors, there are over 60 different colors. Combinations are endless. Contrast stitch piping, special editions, custom patterns like diamonds, just like this one, double diamonds, hex, double hex, honeycomb, and many others. Why? Because these inserts that you see right here, guys, you can change it in any other style. We have so many different quiltings. Also, we have exotics like ostrich, alligator, suede skin, you name them. We have them all at LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com, guys. And what you're gonna get, guys, in this particular case, this is the version with the console, so it's not here, but normally you have the little lid for the little upholstery for the lid. And another thing that you need to know, guys, this is not a slip covers. This is not something you just throw on top of your fabric or your old leather. This is upholstery work. So the original material that is in your seats has to be removed. It has to be taken off so you can load this one, because this is upholstery work, guys. It takes hours to install. This is not you just throw in thing. All right. So you're gonna have the two buckets, the headrest that it comes with it. That's for the front, guys. Yes, right here. And also, again, if you have the version with the console, it will come with a console lid. And if you have the version with the jump seat, which is to seat 3 people in the front, you will have all the components for that particular piece that are not displayed in this unboxing, because this one is just for the version with the console, and I don't even have the console because we already put it in the car. Okay, guys, and now this is your rear seat, which is a split. This is what is called the 60/40. It comes in 2 pieces. And again, guys, this is just like the factory intended to do this kind of work. Basically, this is when you go buy this truck in the dealer and the dealer doesn't have it in leather and it's cloth, they call us so we can go put the leather, and you ended up paying double, sometimes even triple the price that you will pay right here with us, because we love you guys. We want you to save money. That's what I'm doing all this. I want to serve you guys in a way that is meaningful for you, and give you the discounts that I can give you in the promotions that we're running at the time. So this is your split 60/40, guys. This is the way that it will look when you choose this kind of combinations. And let me show you something, guys, that is so important that people doesn't pay attention when it comes to upholstery work. They just see the surface, they see the cover, they see the nice designs, but what people doesn't understand, today's cars, actually from 1996, they start to develop what it is, the airbag system, guys. So every single car has a guiding system, which is this reinforcement. This material is very solid. It's some kind of special cloth, which is reinforced for the explosion of the airbag. and this one has to be attached to the frame directly. The airbag goes in this little pouch right here. And this is so important, guys. This is your label right here, airbag. So you know you have a security, all the SRS system back in place. Very important. This is a peace of mind, guys. You cannot gamble with your life just because you put a cheap seat cover in your vehicle. It can compromise the airbag system. And again, guys, like I told you, this is not your sliding cover. It has all these pulls right here, all these things trims directly into the frame so it can hold the upholstery. That's the reason why when you buy a slip cover, guys, it moves all over the place. It seems like you just throw a piece of rag on top, all of a sudden it's all the way to the right or to the left, depends on which way you sit, and it's all over the place. It doesn't happen with real upholstery work, guys, because these things are attached directly into the frame, so it's never gonna move from the place because it's attached to the frame. And all these points are always there from factory, and you get everything, guys. If you have map pockets into these things, you will have the map pockets back in here. Actually, some of these trucks only have one. You're gonna get two. And all the plastic ABS reinforcements, like I say, guys, this is exactly what you will get from the dealer sometimes. This is not an EOM. Obviously, this is aftermarket, but it's the best product in the market. This company has been in this game for very, very long time, and is the leading company in North America. And everything that you're gonna buy from other competitors is a lie, guys. If they tell you, oh yeah, we manufacture our product, mostly if it's this good quality, it's gonna be from the same manufacturer. There is some exclusions, but it doesn't compare to the finish and the quality of this product. They fall behind. But with us, guys, you get the best of the best, and including prices, guys. So this is what we're doing, all this technical support, special attentions, consultations, so we can help you with the design. If you don't know what to choose, we got you covered, guys. So if you have in the rear the headrest, like in this case fixed, it will be fixed. If you have the version with the center console, you will have that one too, guys. So it's up to you to check, or we can help you to review your configuration so you can order the right kit, guys. And again, guys, all this is available at LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com. You want to take it to the next level, guys, because you might think, oh, I'm gonna get so cold, or leather is too hot. Not anymore, guys. We have temperature control systems, 3 levels of cooling and 3 levels of heating if you elevate this to the next level. Obviously, this one, guys, is our top of the line product. Please inquire about the cost because it's not that affordable, but it's very, very, this is what you get in your luxury brands, guys, like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Bentley, and all these kind of cars. The luxury vehicles carry this system, and the same features you can have in your interior if you decide to do so. But if you are in a budget, guys, at least get your heaters, because you want to be cozy in winter. You don't want to be shivery in your car, guys. At least get your seat heaters. This is the lowest feature you can add to your leather, so you don't suffer the winters, guys. And one last thing, guys, you want to save hundreds of dollars? Go there, guys, LeatherTeck.com. Fill up that form right there and be part of the club that is saving hundreds of dollars in their next order. And this is exclusively there, guys, because we cannot even publish those things for legal reasons. You can understand that part. So go to LeatherTeck.com, fill out that form, and save hundreds, guys. Have any questions, please put it in the comments. Which one is the best car that you think it can look, or what is the best combination for this particular car, guys? What do you think this guy should be doing for his truck? Because it's that one right there, guys. It's ready to be served, but I just wanted to show how the kits come so you can order yours, so you understand what you're getting, you understand what we're doing right here. And this is real leather, guys. This is the deluxe kit. We have explanations about that in our channel, so you can understand what you're buying when somebody tells you, oh yeah, this is the deluxe kit or the regular kit, because not all the kits are 100% leather, guys. For particular, it's not that they have to be 100% leather, it's the applications that it happens in the vehicles determines which one is the best selection for you when it comes to the leather content. And if you don't know these things, guys, put it in the comments. I want to help you to understand the process so you can get exactly what you're looking for. Don't think the leather is always the best things. It's based on the application. Leather can be bad for some environments, and that's what most dealers right now use synthetics. But synthetics really sucks. Like Toyota, I have people coming from their Toyotas with the so-called Softex. My clients call it the Fatex because it looks like leather, but it's not. It's plastic. It's like a mobile sauna gauge. You get all your behind wet and your back is all wet, especially in summers. And it's so sticky, it's horrible, guys. Leather doesn't do that. Leather is deodorant. So that's why we have different combinations and variations, so you can choose what is right for your application and your environment, guys. And again, all this is available at LeatherTeck.com by EM Upholstery Technology.com. Guys, reach out, text me, call me, put it in the comments. We have many ways so you can reach to us just for a consultation, a question, anything that you need, guys. I want to serve you. LeatherTeck.com by EMUpholsteryTechnology.com, because we are demystifying the installation process. We help you, guys. You want to do this yourselves? We help you. You want to take it to the nearest installer? We help you. Either way, guys, I have you covered. Just reach out. Thank you for watching, guys, and look for the video or the pictures after and before of this set, because you want to see exactly how it looks once it's installed. And obviously we do it here professionally, but you can do it also yourself, guys. I got you covered. Hotline, you can call me. We have customer support for the installations. We have all the technicians ready to help you, guys. LeatherTeck.com by EMUpholsteryTechnology.com. And there you have it. Nothing compared to what you saw this morning in the bench, guys. Beautiful leather interior.